Oh, hello.
Well, hi, this is Brent and Amy. It's our normal weekly YouTube channel cast. We wanted to announce that we got another subscriber. This is
Mila May.
our granddaughter, and she arrived yesterday after quite a bit of fanfare. And so we're actually going to skip a week, and we'll be back with you guys following this week with what we normally do. So have a great week.
We'll be back.
Yeah.
Have a good week.
And my name is Papa, and this is
Nana.
So in case you were wondering. Anyway, there she is. Hey,
And
Pookie.
she's steering off into whatever.
Still learning how to focus, I think,
Yeah, there you are.
Okay.